Welcome to our channel. Today we how to enable YouTube automatic captions, accessibility setup step by step clearly. Open the YouTube website or launch the YouTube mobile app on your device. Sign into your Google account so your accessibility preferences can be saved consistently. Choose any video that has spoken audio to test captions clearly. Start playing the video to make the player controls appear on the screen. On desktop, move your mouse over the video player to reveal the control bar. On mobile, tap once on the video to display the playback controls. Look for the CC button on the player controls. If you see the CC button, click or tap it to turn captions on. If you do not see the CC button, click the settings gear icon on the video player. In the settings menu, select Subtitles/CC to open caption options. Choose a language marked as auto-generated when available. If multiple auto-generated languages appear, select the one that matches the video speech. Return to the video and confirm that caption text is appearing at the bottom. If captions are out of sync, pause and play once to refresh the caption track. To change caption size on desktop, click the settings gear and open Subtitles/CC options. Select options to adjust font size, font family, color, and background for readability. Increase font size if you watch on a small screen or from a distance. Use a dark background with light text for higher contrast in bright environments. On mobile, open your device accessibility settings if you need system-level caption styling. On iPhone, go to Settings, then Accessibility, then Subtitles and Captioning, and enable Closed Captions plus SDH. On Android, go to Settings, then Accessibility, then Caption Preferences, and customize size and style. Go back to YouTube and play the same video again to see the updated caption appearance. If you want captions to stay on by default, open YouTube settings from your profile picture. On desktop, click your profile icon, choose Settings, then Playback and Performance. Enable the option that keeps captions on when available, if your version shows it. If that option is not available, YouTube will still remember your last CC choice for many sessions. Test with a different video to confirm captions appear automatically when the creator allows it. If a video has no captions, try another video because some uploads do not support auto captions. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.